Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn and see the national symbols of India. So let's get started.
The national bird of India is the Indian peacock. Peacock was declared the national bird of India in 1963 because of its cultural, religious, and ecological significance. They are found in all parts of the country and choose to live in gardens and jungles. The national sport of India is hockey. The national animal of India is the Bengal tiger. The combination of grace, strength, agility and enormous power has earned the tiger its pride of place as the national animal of India. The mango is India's national fruit, and is often called the king of fruits. The national flower of India is lotus. The lotus is an aquatic plant with large pink flowers and broad petals that float on water. It has been a sacred flower and symbol of Indian culture since ancient times. National anthem of the India is Jana Gana Mana. The national flag of India is Tiranga, a horizontal tricolor of deep saffron at the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. The national emblem of India is the lion capital of Ashoka, which depicts 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on a circular abacus. The national currency of India is the Indian rupee, which is based on the Devanagari letter. The national tree of India is the banyan tree. The king cobra is the national reptile of India. It is the world's longest venomous snake, capable of growing up to 19 feet long and living for as long as 25 years. The Indian pumpkin, also known as kaddu, is considered the national vegetable of India.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.